Okay, so what I'm attempting to do today is I'm going to paint in between the spokes black. Now I know there's a lot of different ways to get this done, and a lot of people do it with cards or newspapers or garbage bags or whatever. This is how I'm going to do it. I've done it lots of times before painting wheels. But anyway, so this is what I'm doing today. Maybe get one or two of them done. I'm not in a huge hurry. So anyway, I'll get back with you when I get a little bit more taped up and start the painting, or when it's done, and we'll see what it looks like back on the truck. Thanks. The way I'm doing this is I'm using the 3M tape, the 3-inch, and I'm doing it on this particular one because you see here in the middle, it's covering as I'm doing it. And what I do is I take an X-Acto knife and I trim it up so it's exact. Anyway, so that's the way we're going to do it on all of these. Like I said, I'm not in a big hurry. I'd sooner get it right and get it correct and nice and clean. I know it's just on the wheels, but it's something that I'll know is done right or wrong. So anyway, here's hoping it comes out pretty good, and we'll see you on the next part. So there's the wheel all painted black. It is just primer black right now. I will be using this stuff, duplicate color trim and bumper paint. The reason why I use this instead of like a wheel paint or whatever is I like the finish of it when it comes out. Matter of fact, I use that on the frame, on just about everything that doesn't need heat. I got all this stuff from the O'Reilly store. I also changed the oil in the thing. And whoever put that oil filter on there must have used like an impact, because it took a pipe wrench to get it off. But anyway, got it off, put a nice K&N oil filter on there, put good oil in it. So the thing is running pretty awesome. And when I get all this tape off and get the other paint on it, I'll take it loose, get you a picture of that, and then a picture of it on the truck, and we'll see how it goes from there. So there it is, unwrapped. You see the old one, the way it was before, and now the way it's painted. I think it definitely looks better. If nothing else, it looks different. Cleaner for sure. And what I'm going to do is I'll put it on the truck, and then we'll get a picture of that. Okay. Wow. So it looks so much better. I think we're definitely going to do the rest of them that way. Oh, one thing I didn't tell you, or that what I do is I put anti-seize on these lug nuts inside and out. And the reason why I do that is because these are old school wheels that have a shank that goes down in the wheel. And since they're steel and the wheels are aluminum, they tend to get stuck if you leave them a long time, as what was on the thing in the beginning. I did a turn and all of the lug nuts fell off the front wheel. So, and it didn't harm the studs, it just ruined the lug nuts. So I just went around and put all new lug nuts all the way around it. And when I did that, I put the anti-seize on it. So our next thing is to get that back one off and do it again. And that'll probably be it for today, because it's wearing on me. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll get you more pictures. All right, so I got the two wheels on this side back on there. Went ahead and painted the inside of black. Honestly, I think it looks a lot better. Why I had the tape on it and it was still all black with the tape being black, I didn't think they looked too bad either, but definitely give it a little bit of depth to the wheels. This is the way they should have came in the first place. And a lot of these wheels that you do see come like this, already black in the middle. If we walk around the other side, you'll see what it looks like with the wheels just bare. And that's what they look like when we first got it. And you know, comment down below and tell me what you think. Does the black look better or the raw look better? And this is after we cleaned it. It was super clean, and we couldn't get any of that dirt out of there. And I'm sure it's from going in the mud a lot. But in the next few days, we're also going to be doing some suspension work. This thing here, unfortunately, had a bent leaf spring in the back. It's got Datsun leaf springs in the back, so we had to go and source a couple of those out of the Datsun branch. I did order 2 more leaf springs for the front, which are actually Toyota 4-inch lift springs for the front. All brand new shocks are coming in for it. And then I got to address some of the driveline details. But anyway, those will be in the next videos, and so that's pretty much it for this one. Maybe I'll do a walk around once I get all the 4 wheels done in the next day or so. And anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share with everybody. So we'll see you then. Thanks.